Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have an unboxing of the Planner Society. I subscribed to the Planner Society. I used to be subscribed back in the day and I wanted to subscribe again. They have a bi-monthly subscription and it's amazing and I could not miss this opportunity. Now before I get started, those of you that are new, hi, welcome. My name is Leslie and I do planner related videos and I upload every week. I hope you will stick around. Now let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so I have this in this pack because it just arrived today. Today is a rainy day and they left it in my front porch and everything got soaked. So I was hoping that all of this would be dry. I'm hoping that all of this is fine. I'm gonna get everything out of the packages and I'll be right back. Second time I filmed this video because I was all over the place, so I'm gonna try to use parts of the video that I made and this one. Alright, so the first thing in the whole box were these gorgeous papers, and it brings 6 cardstock and they're double-sided. So this is the first pattern, very pretty. It has the floral in the front and then the neutral color rainbows in the back. So we get 2 of those. We have this gorgeous floral as well, but these are smaller and it's all blush and it has this animal print in the back. I like to say it's animal print. It looks animal print. So we get 2 sheets of those, and then we have this chevron and this watercolor on the other side. So that it's the cardstock paper. Also get this gorgeous paper that is double-sided. I think it is exclusively made from the Planner Society. Well, I think everything is exclusively made, but this is gorgeous, very pretty to do a spread, or not a spread, a theme, a planner theme with this. Really pretty. We get 2 sheets of acetate paper, so I'm sorry for the glare. We have this chevron with silver, and it's silver. I don't know what I was gonna say. We have also this gorgeous animal print, and then it has gold on one side and silver on the other side. Really pretty. We have 2 sheets of vellum. So we have this rainbow pattern with gold dots all throughout. Really adorable. And we have the floral. I'm sorry my background is not giving it justice because my background is pink, but just so you can see, it has the same floral as the cardstock paper, and it has some gold dots all throughout, which is really pretty. So we get tons of paper. The next thing, and I'm gonna show you 2 things at the same time, but this is the reason why I've subscribed to the whole box. Isn't this adorable, you guys? So you get like a little baggie. It looks like a backpack, but it doesn't have the little strings in the back, but you have a snap closure there, and along with the whole subscription came this neutral rainbow charm that it's perfect to carry with this baggie. I think if you have a micro happy notes or if you have a pocket rings, it will fit here along with your phone, your keys, and all that stuff. So yay, I love this and it's my favorite color. All right, so the next thing that I got were these tabs. These are really pretty. They already have the it's like a sticker, and it came along with all of these words that I can put on top of it and just put it in my planner. Really pretty. Has church, blog, reading, wish list. I really like that, and it's all in rose gold, you guys. Very pretty. I like that this subscription brings a lot of things that I don't have. The next thing, and I'm gonna put it here how it came, because it came adorable with like a bow all together. But this is the sticky notes and the sticky pad, because this is, I think it's a sticky pad, yeah. And these are adorable as well. So you have the same rainbow neutral rainbow and some rose gold stars, and in here same rose gold foiling, and it's a to-do list, which is really pretty. All right, the next thing that we received, well, that I received, were these flowers, and they came along with the little rhinestones that you can put in the middle and just decorate your planner. I love these to send to my planner bestie and to put in my planner as well, so I really like these. Super cute. Also received a scrunchie, which I love wearing these, you guys. I love these. And we have the gorgeous pen. It has the same pattern and some rose gold crystals. Let me zoom it in so you guys can see how adorable it is. So here it is. Another beautiful pen for my collection. So the next thing, and I'm trying to just show you guys everything without missing anything. All right, so the next thing are these, and sorry for the shakiness. All right, so this is the next thing. We have the glitter edges. They have a beautiful pattern, which I hope the camera picks it up. So here are the thicker ones. They're scalloped, which is really nice. We have the thinner ones, and we have her famous bows, which are, I cannot wait to use this all on a spread, not a spread, I keep saying spread. I want to use these all to set up my planner. I just don't know which planner yet, but I'm very excited for that. Next up is the paper clip, and of course it's a gorgeous neutral color rainbow that matches the whole theme going on, which is really pretty. All right, so next I'm gonna show you the tabs. These are the word tabs. So here we have some plain ones with the days of the week, the lists, the notes, and we have the same ones but with the paper, like with the pattern on them. I was very excited. I don't have any of this. I honestly don't have any of that. Next up are some of the die cuts. I love die cuts, you guys, and I'm gonna try to speed up this part just because there's a lot of die cuts in here, so I'm just gonna put a few and just switch to the next slide. Alright, so those are those die cuts, and along with those I received these cards, which are really beautiful. They're like journaling size, and they have rose gold foiling, and of course they have the gorgeous rainbow. So we have 4 of those. Wait, 4? No, 5. So we have that one. This one says seek happiness, come as you are. Flossom, embracing flaws while being awesome, and grow gratitude. These are gorgeous, gorgeous. You can make them into a little card and give it to your planner bestie, give them as a gift. All right, the next thing is the gorgeous washi, and I love the washi. The same pattern with the really tiny gold dots throughout, and I love it for my collection. I actually have all of my washi from my past subscription with the Planner Society, so I really love this one. All right, next up are these girls. They come in different skin colors, and they have a sticker backing. They came along with these cards, which are really pretty. They have like this nice logo thing, and they're really gorgeous, so you can just make whatever you want with them. And last but not least, because I almost forgot, we have stickers, and these stickers are gorgeous. Again, They go perfect with the theme. So that's the first sheet. Again, we have the same girls. Very beautiful. Check this out, you guys. Actual animal print, and these are words. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's gorgeous. And we have this one, so we have 4 sheets of sticker. That is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I am very excited for this box because it brings so many things. I cannot wait to create tons of gorgeous things. I don't know, like set up my planner, but whatever I do decide to do, I would definitely show you all. So thank you for watching this video. If you made it till the end, I will talk to you all soon on my next one. Bye.